Hi, my name is Leslie Kuster, and I'm working with Karen on my Instagram, and also she's helping me build a brand new website for me too. She is an incredibly smart and talented artist, businesswoman, author, writer. She really knows what she's doing, and she's teaching me how to create posters, how to do graphics, and also how to take the substance of the book that I'm writing right now and identifying what sentences and words and everything that will really pop. She's basically teaching me how to present myself in a way that's going to make me stand out from so many other people. And the other thing about working with Karen and why I wanted to work with Karen is I'm a huge believer in working with people who are already successful in the area that I want to be successful with. So with her huge amount of followers, that means she knows what she's doing and she knows how to get what is important and what it is that I really want when I'm building my social media. So I'm thrilled to be working with her, and I totally recommend working with Karen.